Good afternoon, guys. Once again, it's your favorite boy, Victor. Okay, all right. Um, Today I decided to do this video to simplify the Longrich business. Some of the people who read through the article on my blog, I don't know if they really read through the article on my blog because I'm tired of explaining myself doing these presentations like over and over again. So I decided to create this video to simplify, to give you a summary of what the long read business is about. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to put you through this, and at the end of this presentation, you just simply follow the instructions. Go and make payments to the Longbridge account. Send me an email with the payment proof. I send it to the stockist. You pick up your products and you get started. All right, let's go. So, the basic information about Longrich. We don't want to waste much time on this. Longrich is a company that has existed for like 33 years, and they are into production of healthcare products, cosmetics, house cleaning products, furniture, real estate business, and they also produce for large, these big, multinational companies. Um, Longrich is legitimate. As a matter of fact, right now they're building a factory in Ibejuleki in Lagos. So that's just what you need to know about the company. Why join Longrich? I talked about legitimacy in the previous slide. See, Longrich is 100% legit. Now, um, early this year, the former governor of Lagos State, Governor Ambode, commissioned the Longrich um, factory. It is an ongoing project, and the thing is, Amode is also a member of Longrich, and lots of other celebrities are jumping into this business because they know that this is not one of those schemes that just pop up on the internet. In 2017, I know how much I lost to schemes. So even before I joined this business, like I had to do my own due diligence too, and I discovered that this company has been there. Whatever money you're paying to the company, you're getting the value for your money instantly. So there's no loss whatsoever. Now, why, still on the why, the opportunity to make more money through franchising. If you know how franchising works, let's say for example, KFC, if you want to get a franchise from KFC, you have to pay like millions of naira. Okay, now franchising gives you an opportunity to operate that under that business name wherever you are. So, but Longbridge is saying you don't need to have all the millions in the world to get a franchise from us, to be our partner, to represent this brand. You understand? With as little as 9,800, you can be a partner. That's the least. In fact, joining Longrich is free. But then, in order for you to start earning, you need to pay and buy products. It's more like renting a shop. If you rent a shop, you need to spend money to buy products and fill in the shop, right? So if I have a boutique and I rent a shop, I have to go to Lagos Island, or I have to import clothes from China to put in the boutique. So it's more like you have a shop. You understand? The account is your shop, which is free of charge, but then you need to buy products to activate you for earnings. Okay. Now, Longrich has more than 100 products, but I just picked a few of the products to because these are the products I can relate with directly. Then there are also other products, and lots of them. When you sign up, I'll be sharing with you the list of products and the PVs. Each of these products has what they call PV. PV is like the Longrich currency. PV means points volume. For example, this mosquito repeller has is about 2 PV or something, or 3 PV. Calcium is about 20 something PV. Each of them have the PVs. These products you see here works, and you can even make a lot of money selling just these products. In recent times, I don't know, we've been having like mosquitoes from the pit of hell. I live in Agor Palace where I don't know where these mosquitoes come from, like the pastry or net, and bites you seriously. So I've been using this, and it works. It keeps you safe from mosquito for 7 to 8 hours. And calcium, I also use this because I broke my hand in December when I was playing football. So this calcium has been helpful. And this is the wine for if you're a man, and you need to perform. This wine is very, 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 very potent. It contains alcohol and it's also helpful for fertility issues and all that. This I used the toothpaste because I was playing basketball and somebody bashed my tooth, and um, I needed something to help me. So I use this toothpaste like every day, and the tooth is getting better. And this is the PI cup, the alkaline cup. It helps you get alkaline water. Most of this water we drink, they are highly acidic. So this helps give you alkaline water. And if you're a heavy boozer, like you shy, you drink alcohol, you drink yourself to stupor. This can help you when you pour the water in the cup, you drink it, and clears the alcohol. Okay, these are just products I want to show you. The more products I'll show to you when you sign up, or you can just simply go to Google and type in Longrich products. You'll see all the products. Now they have combination products. Let me throw more light on combination products. Are products that like 2 to 3 products that solve a particular problem. Like they have combination products for cancer, they have combination products for fertility issues. That one you have to combine like panty liner, you have to combine like the Libal or Menkian, you know. And the good thing about these combination products is that you can sell them for good profit. Yeah, when you bundle them together, you can actually sell them for good profit. So when you join our team, I'll be giving you a list of combination products that you can sell and make good money and good PV. So, how to make money on Longrich? You pick an entry level. See, Longrich has like different entry levels from 9,800 to 6.8 million. Now, 6.8 billion is for people who want to become a stockist. Stockists are they're like a stockist is like the 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 big the owners of the big shops where you pick up your products from. So in order to be a stockist, you need to have a shop and you need to have 6.8 million naira um to be a stockist. Now, you can how to make money as the stockist thing. You can make up to 1 point something million every month. You understand? Some do 2 million, some do 3 million, depends. Long it pays you when people pick up products from your store. Now you can retail the products, like I said, you can buy the products for at the distributor price and you can sell at your own price. Now you tell people about the business and Laundry pays you in cash and in kind when you get people to join the business. As your team grows, you make more money and qualify for incentives. See, you can build yourself up, like you can buy products and get yourself to Diamond 2. But from Diamond 2, in order to move to the next level, you need people under your team. For example, if you want to go from Diamond 2 now to Diamond 3, you need 2 people under you that have become Diamond 2 members in order for you to go to Diamond 3. To go from 3 to 4, you need 2 people under your team who are Diamond 3 to move to 4. So it continues in that sequence. Now, here are the entry levels. You have the VIP. VIP gives you straight 1,680 PVs and it automatically makes you a Diamond 2. It's 750,000 to come in as a VIP. You earn 1% share of global sales from 188 countries where Longrich operates and 12% weekly bonus. Platinum VIPs 720 PVs cost 320,000 naira. You earn 12% weekly bonus. The gold entry level is 240 PVs, cost 100,000 naira, and you earn 10% weekly bonus. The silver is 120 PVs, cost 50,000 naira, and you earn 8% weekly bonus. The Q silver you have 60 PV, 25,000, you earn 8,000, 8% weekly bonus. Now, let me talk about this Q silver plan. There's a fast um fast rate pack is 40,000, but it's different. It's also 60 PVs, but it's different from this in the sense that when you register someone with that 40k plan and the person registered another person with 40k plan, Longrich pays you 8,000 naira referral bonus. But with this, you won't end up to 8,000 naira referral bonus. Now you have the starter pack 4 PV 9,008, but my advice is if you register with this, when you refer somebody, Longrich pays you 2,300 per referral, and it's 4 PV. It's small, but in order to earn well from Longrich, you need to upgrade from this 4 PV to 60 PV. That's if you come in with this. You can start with this if you don't have the money, but make sure you upgrade so that you can get more benefits from the business and make more money. This is the junior stock. It requires 3 million naira, and you need a VIP, and you need to be a VIP and sponsor 3 VIPs. You get 4% off the PV sold in your shop. See, if you have the money, you should just become a stockist. Honestly, senior stockist, you need 6.8 million, and you earn 6% monthly of everything. Imagine now when you become a stockist in Longrich, Longrich will publish your details at their back office. So people, imagine the millions of people in this business will see it, and people in your location, they can come and buy, and you make money. So what next? Pick an entry level, make payment to the Longrich account, send me proof of payment. I'll give you the stockist details in your location to pick products, refer people, grow your team, and make money. So, this is a benefit. To get products for any amount you sign up to get instant products. So it's not a matter of like some of these programs, you make payments, they only give you access to a back office with nothing. This you get your money's worth. You can sell the products and get your money back. Other benefits: endless and heavy weekly earnings, free international trips, free cars up to 3 in a year, free scholarships, free product promos, free cash when you change in rank, and housing funds. So, your business starts with your first 3 people, right? When you sign up, it's simple. Just get 3 people to join under you and encourage them, teach them to do the same thing. This is what we do in our team. Like, we'll help you and tell you what to do, what to say. You don't even, as a matter of fact, you don't even need to do a presentation. Just send them to the group and we'll do the presentation for you. Yeah? They sign up under you. You make money, we make money. Everybody makes money. So, how to get partners: personal contact, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, search engine optimization. That's where my strength lies. If you're watching this video, then it's likely you saw my article through Google. When somebody goes to Google now and types in Longrich, you see my site on number 1. So that's how people come to the group. So it's also going to be of a plus for you. I'm not promising you anything. I'm not promising you downlines. You have to work, but of course, I can't register everybody under myself. My first 3 legs are complete, so it's going to keep on spilling. But hey, I'm not promising you anything. You have to work. You have to follow the trainings that we will give you. So these are the ways that you can, get partners to join your business. So yep, now okay, meme. Sorry, I spoke Igbo. Action time. Go and make payments to this account. After making payments, you send your details to my email or WhatsApp. Once you do that, I'll give you the stockist details where you go and pick your products in your location. This business can be done anywhere, wherever you are. We don't need to see. We don't need to. You just you're paying into a company account. It's not my private account. So that's it. Take action now. It's in your hands. It's in your hands. So I've come to the end of this presentation. See, I've done this video just to simplify the process. These things I outlined here are the basic things you need to know about the Longrich business. It's simple. This is what Longrich is about. They produce products for different purposes. You know, you sign up, you get products, and then you start building your business. Longrich has what they call ranks. As you grow in the business, your ranks increase. When you sign up people, they sign up other people, they buy products. PV is the currency of Longrich. Your PV is like your money, even though yeah, you get commissions on direct referrals and stuff like that. But the PV, when your PV is growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, you start advancing in the ranks. Diamond 1, Diamond 2, Diamond 3, Diamond 4, Diamond 5, Diamond 6, Diamond 7, Star Director 1, Star Director 2. You keep on going on and on like that. And for each of these milestone you achieve, Longrich is giving you a compensation. Think of this as a long-term business. But then it starts with you. The ball is on your court now. How do you want to play? You want to play right? Contact